Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, March 6th. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. We do got a couple economic news releases to go over today on the calendar here. So let's just start off with the ADP employment for February. This is the week we get the job numbers for February. And last month was a pretty big one. And for January, it was at 300,000 new jobs in the private sector, and this one came in a little bit under expectations. They were actually expecting 187,500 was some of the forecasts out there, and it came in just a little under 183,000. But this doesn't have the big important data in here. The one Friday is what will matter, and that's the one brought to you by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now that will be the big one where we'll get the unemployment rate, the new jobs created, and stuff like that. So that'll be a big one. Later today, we'll get the Fed Beige book coming out around 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. This is the book that comes out, from all the different regional areas of the Fed. They talk a little bit about the economy and what's moving industries and stuff like that. So that's coming out around that time frame. So it's possible it could, depending on what's in it or what comes out, like if it's showing some slowdown, that might draw investors' eyes and, of course, make them more concerned, and then stocks may pull back a bit further, since that's been the main concern of late. Is anything mentioning the global slowdown? A reminder. Right now, the stock market is down. It's even though we're coming to a completion of the Chinese and U.S. trade talks, and then China gave in some stimulus because their data came in lower. They've already kind of built that into the pricing. They've even built into the pricing now that Great Britain will be leaving, or the Brexit will leaving Europe without a trade agreement. So they're kind of projecting that. So everything's pretty much priced in. So if Brexit does happen and it becomes a soft one, now I would assume the stock market would take off because they're pricing in for the worst right now on that one. On our side, we're kind of pricing in for the better, but until they see details, they don't want to get into it too much. We're already at kind of high levels. We've been kind of this over bought position in stocks for quite some time, for about 2 months right now. I think I showed you guys on that one graph when I had it an overbought position for a while. So, and then later today we do got some Fed speakers or Fed members speaking today. So this is again, depending on what's said, it could make the markets a little volatile. Right now, they're kind of waiting for some type of catalyst to happen to kind of get it out of this doldrum of a market right now. We're kind of at that standing still moment. Right now, a bond market is near unchanged, basically up only 2 basis points right now. Treasuries are slid down a little bit. They closed down to about 2.72 yesterday. Now they're down to about, let's say, round up to 2.7 right now. So you put a little less pressure on the mortgage-backed securities, so it allows mortgage-backed securities to go up a little bit, whereas yields pull back a little bit. So I would say there's no change in pricing, but yesterday we did have a better day, primarily because we did go from, some lenders may actually come in a little bit better pricing, come to think of it, primarily because yesterday about this time when we started, we were down 6 basis points, and by the time we closed, we were up 6 points. Now that's 12 basis points plus another 2, 14. We may have a slight improvement in our pricing today. In terms of lenders out there, due to the pretty big change right there. All right, so that pretty much wraps things up. Some lenders may have a little better pricing, or a worst case scenario is going to be unchanged. Otherwise, if you guys want to get more updates, I'll put it on post on Twitter here. You can follow me at Mike Bjork on Twitter, and then there you can get the latest updates. Otherwise, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.